Life is moving forward. Life is moving forward every day. What motivates us to get up every day? What motivates us to get out of bed and do something? Or what motivates us to get out in the morning? What motivates us to go to the gym? What motivates us to open a book and read? What is the reason? It's not our alarm clocks. It's not our friends. It's not our parents. No, all of these things seem to be the reason. But we don't do any of these things just because we have these reasons. It comes down to our choice. At some point, we make a decision. Let's get up! At some point, we make a decision. Let's open this book and read it. Yes! It all comes down to you. Everything comes back to our decisions. This is the whole story of life. Do you want to get somewhere? Do you want to achieve something? It's the same story. It's about you. Do we make that decision? There are no other reasons for this. Our brains come when we want something, when we start doing something. But I haven't studied that much. But I'm not that talented. I don't understand that one thing as much as he does. There is one thing we need to understand. Anyone can make excuses. Anyone can make any of these excuses. Saying excuses is not that difficult. It is not that hard. But every time we stop ourselves, every time we are meditating the wrong thing, we are thinking about a wrong thing in our minds again and again and reinforcing it in our lives. We have to shift the gear. We have to change the gear of our lives. The question we need to ask now should be this. Why should you do it? Why should I do this? And the first reason is because you want it. We will see many people behind us who want it for us. We will see our parents. We will see friends. But beyond all that, you have to do it for yourself. For our lives, we have to do it for ourselves. We have to make that gear change. There should be a proper reason. We have to go from saying no to why can't we? We have to go from making excuses to saying I have to do this. We have to go from being a zero and sitting idle to being a zero. This is how our journey should be now. Our mind is the king here. That mind is talking to us 24 hours a day. Teach our mind to think right. Teach us to say the right things. And, above all, to believe. Teach our brain to believe. Michael Jordan says, you have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. We don't have to believe after we've done it. Belief doesn't come after we've done it. Then there's no need for belief. You have already done it. But before we do it, when nobody is recognizing you, when nobody is applauding us, when nobody is seeing our efforts, when we start small, when we take the first small steps, that's where we have to believe in ourselves. That's where the power of belief comes from. We have to demand from ourselves. We have to keep on building goals. Yes, when we make decisions like this, some days will slip away from us. From the biggest heights, even if we are at the top, or if we are lacking motivation. We will sometimes lie down the next day, but don't lie there. Be ready for that. This champion is someone who gets up when he can't. A true champion is someone who gets up when he can't. You do it again, and again, and again. And then one day, when we don't think about it, when we don't plan for it, things will turn around. Everything will start to come our way. It will start to be in our hands. Champions keep playing until they get it right. Champions keep playing until they get it right. They will fight until they get it right. They will keep trying until they get it right. Every time we go wrong, every time you make a mistake, you keep correcting it. That is what life is all about. If we have been doing this for so long, this video is a signal. It is a signal to wake up from sleep, to start, to change, and to rebuild. Because if you don't do it today, it will never happen. So, start today. Start taking actions. Stop your excuses. Say no to your laziness. And start believing. Because today is the day you start. Stay strong. Stay inspired. Success Code.